Ever wondered how Indian women grow such long, thick, goddess-like hair? It's not just genetics, girl, it's the rituals, the patience, and the ingredients passed down like heirlooms. And the best part? You don't need expensive products or salon appointments to get in on this glow up. Let's walk through the most powerful Indian hair growth secrets that actually work and how to bring them into your weekly routine. First up, hot oiling. If you're not doing this, you're skipping the entire foundation. In Indian culture, a weekly scalp massage with warm oil isn't just self-care, it's a hair growth ritual. Use coconut oil or almond oil as your base and add a few drops of castor oil for thickness. Warm it gently, not too hotan. Massage your scalp in small circular motions for at least 5-10 minutes. It increases blood flow, stimulates your follicles, and helps nourish the roots. This is your pre-shampoo step. And trust me, it makes all the difference. Bonus, use a wooden comb to help distribute the oil evenly. It reduces breakage and tension on your scalp. Now let's talk about fenugreek, or as it's called in India, methi. These tiny golden seeds are a miracle for hair fall. Soak a tablespoon overnight, blend them into a smooth paste the next morning, and apply it as a scalp mask. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. It strengthens your strands from the root, reduces dandruff, and adds serious shine. The smell isn't cute, I'll admit, but the results, worth it. Another staple, amla. Whether it's in oil, powder, or juice form, amla, Indian gooseberry, is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen your roots and prevent premature graying. If you want to level it up, start drinking amla or hibiscus tea regularly. It's not just about what you apply, it's what you nourish your body with. Hair grows from within, babe. Speaking of hibiscus, this flower is a queen in Indian beauty secrets. Mix fresh hibiscus petals with aloe vera gel and blend into a mask. It hydrates, promotes thickness, and helps calm itchy, irritated scalps. Think of it as your scalp smoothie. Apply it once a week before shampooing, and your hair will start feeling softer, stronger, and more alive. Quick side note, if you're washing your hair with hot water, stop right now. It strips your hair's natural oils and makes it weaker over time. Always rinse with lukewarm or cool water. Your scalp will stay balanced, and your strands will be less prone to breakage. And finally, be patient. Indian hair care is about consistency, not instant results. Weekly treatments, gentle care, and natural ingredients compound over time. The glow-up doesn't happen overnight, but when it does, it's stunning. You don't need to copy everything, just start with 1 or 2 rituals and build from there. So if you're tired of shedding, breakage, and flat, lifeless hair, this is your sign to go back to the roots, quite literally. Treat your hair like royalty, and it'll start acting like it. If you want more glow-up tips that actually work for your face, body, and mindset, then subscribe. This is your soft space for feminine power, self-care, and becoming that girl.